everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Bingyols. I'm founder of Bingyols Auction House, art galleries located in Moscow and Dubai, and Bingyols Art Academy. Also, I'm author of the book How to Buy and Sell Art, which is written in Russian and English. Today, I would like to welcome you in our channel where we are expressing more about art scene, about art trends, what's going on in art world, how to buy art, how to sell art, and what to do if you're an artist or art collector. So let's dive in. Last year in September, we founded our Art Academy by Bingyols. And the reason why we did that, because I got a huge demand from artists, from art collectors, from my clients, who was asking me how really to buy art and how to sell it. So, since you know this is my major and I graduated Moscow State University, my major was Museum and Gallery Management. Also, I studied in Sotheby's Institute of Art, New York, how to buy and sell art in auctions. And I studied also in Los Angeles. So this is my field and this is what I do professionally and using all my knowledges every day. In my gallery in Moscow, in my gallery in Dubai, in my auction house, I'm doing auctions by myself and I'm an art curator who curated as an artist in Venice Biennale. I was also a VIP guest in Art Basel in 2019, and a lot of art fairs are inviting me as a VIP guest to take a place in their events. So I curated more than 30 international art exhibitions, and I know what exactly steps need to be done for you as an artist to expose your art pieces, sculptures, paintings into art world and showcase them in the right art fairs. So when people saw all of that, the demand started becoming higher and higher, and people start asking me, tell us please what to do, how to make our portfolio. If I'm, for example, an art investor, I have a huge collection of art, but I really don't know what exactly to do with that. So we created our Art Academy for helping you as an artist, art lover, art enthusiast, art investor, or art collector, how to do and what to do, which steps to use to make your portfolio amazing and great and show it to the world in a great perspective. In our courses in Bingyols Art Academy, we're helping you to grow and to make your art portfolio as an artist. So me by myself, I'm looking at each of your portfolios, telling you what's wrong, what's right, how to improve it, and how makes it look more powerful for art galleries and auction houses and art fairs to take your art pieces and take you as a serious artist. So also what you can gain from our courses, we're giving you an access to our platform where you can see art investors, art collectors, and other artists, art curators, owners of the galleries. So this is a good opportunity for you to network with those people who's from your field. Also, what you can do, we have a group chat where you can share your already ready art portfolio with everyone, so it would be there in a history of chat, so anyone joining new one and the previous one, anyone can check and of course can come back to you if they're interested in any of your pieces. So we're helping you to find a really valuable people for you as an artist to create your good network and your appearance in Dubai art scene, and not only. Because some of our students coming from different Emirates, some of our students are joining our online courses, so you can find people from almost anywhere in the world, and of course what's very important, to find people who's near to you, who's close to you here in Dubai. So let's get more deeper into art portfolio. What is that? Why do you need it for? And what are the mind steps to use to create your art portfolio? Okay, let's think this way. You're an artist, you're a start artist, you're an emerging artist, or you're an established artist, and all your focus, I know, it was just to create the pieces. That's exactly the rightest position of you thinking that. Of course, you need to create first your art pieces, and don't think about how to make them all in PDF file, how to make them glow, but this is the marketing part which helps you to grow as an artist. So, first step, of course, to create your portfolio with your paintings and sculptures. So, number one step is, of course, create your pieces. Number two, have your CV as an artist. So, you need to write down your date of birth, your name, your last name, or your name as an artist. For example, there is a nickname or whatever you're feeling comfortable with, like you need to use that name, which make you feel confident. Then write down your biography, which university you graduated, which college or academy, which style and technique you are working for, and of course your art exhibitions if you already participated. If not, you can write down, the honesty is the best. So write down that you're an emerging artist, you're just starting, and you're looking to explore your art pieces in the art fairs and art exhibitions. So be sure that you have everything clear file and honest. So if you've done your exhibitions, for example, anywhere abroad or you participated somewhere, write it down. If not, then write that you are a new artist and you're looking for new interesting art fairs and interesting art journey to participate. So the next step is to write down your own philosophy. What do you think about the art pieces you are creating? What's their theme exactly about? For example, if you are drawing some animals, so write down that you're passionate about animals, or you like these tigers, or you like these leos, so that's why you are drawing paintings in this theme. Or for example, it is horses or anything. There could be like some portraits, whatever, so you make sure you have your own philosophy and statement as an artist of creating your collection. Step number 3 is present the best of your art pieces. I would go for, and I would give you as a tip, that you need to have at least 10 pieces of one subject that you are drawing. Of course, as an artist, you can be really interesting person and you are drawing not only one style. I agree with this, it's great. So I have a lot of artists in my gallery who's not drawing only in one style, but be sure that in each style you are using, you have at least 10 pictures, 10 paintings or 10 sculptures. Why? You would ask why, right? Some of the artists asking me, this is not fair, why we need to create 10 if today I want to draw a sheep, tomorrow I want to draw a portrait, and next day there is a horse. No, this should not be, it's not the right way. Me as a collector, because I'm a collector by myself as well, I would never buy and invest in an artist who's drawing different type of art. Why? Because this is just okay. Today you have your inspiration of creating a horse painting. Tomorrow you want to draw a landscape. So there is no continuation. And if I take this piece and, for example, later on somebody will purchase any other of thematic pieces from your collection, what will happen after? So I would place this painting with my connections to the auction, or I would make it raise in an amount, but the rest of the paintings will not raise the same price as the one, for example, I'm holding in my collection. So that's why every art collector wants to be sure that there is a huge collection of that art pieces. Not the same ones, I'm not talking about copies, I'm talking about their style and technique. In a video we will show you what I'm exactly talking about. So once you're sure that you have your different style art pieces, then choose the one theme which you are more confident. So in your CV, in your portfolio, should be one of the biggest, should be the best paintings include, that's for sure. So then once you choose the painting that you like, you can choose different ones, you can choose one or two. Then, of course, as I told you, write down your statement and your thoughts, what you have. So once you are done, of course, it would be also good to, when you write down your biography, put your picture so everyone would know who they are talking with. It's the same, exactly the same as a CV for anywhere if you want to go to get a job, for example. So this is your CV as an artist to approach galleries, art fairs, art collectors. So once we, in another hand, like we are as a gallerist or art collectors, we see this CV that it makes professional, it looks beautiful. So we know we're working with a professional. And even if you're an emerging artist and you just started your journey, so me as a gallery, I can see, okay, this person is first organized, he knows what exactly he wants to showcase, and this is a professional. So this is not a famous artist yet, but this person is professional and he already knows his steps how to grow himself as an artist. So be sure that you've done all these steps. And another tip I would tell you, go try your best in every gallery. Go talk with them, go send your emails with your CV. Try to find as much opportunities to participate in exhibitions, to be part of art communities, because this is very, very important for you to grow as an artist. Not just create your pieces staying in a cave, your home or your studio, drawing your pieces, and that's it. So I can't see anyone else. No. Be sure that you are surrounded by different artists, different creative people, extraordinary people, so you can learn more about them. Also go check some exhibitions, go check some galleries, or in Dubai here we have a lot, or if you're from different country, go check in your city some creative, good places for artists to be inspired, because this is what makes us inspired. If you can see these pieces related in the gallery, so you can see, okay, the gallery is not museum, so gallery is showcasing exactly what's interesting in your city, what's interesting for the market to purchase. So go check, see, get inspired, talk with art consultant, of course, see like what's going on in your city, in your country, travel, see new places, check the museums, and that's how you will create your own vision and your own creativity. We have different formats, so we have online formats of full module, that are 5 modules. We have art as business foundations, marketing, and the rest that you can see below in our website. Also, we do some formats of webinars, which are really useful. So you can join our webinar, you can ask your questions, you can talk with some people online. And another format that we have, which is offline. So we're meeting in a classroom or we're meeting in different places, in locations, with all our students, where we can network, chat, and see each other in real life. Because I believe that it should not be only online, we also need to see each other, to feel that atmosphere, and to introduce each other as well. So another format that we have is in class, so we're meeting in a good locations with each other. Also, we're organizing some events where it's for you to network with people, like-minded people, to talk, to see, and to explore more varieties of art, to talk with different people and to know each other, and of course to talk with me and ask any of your questions. My name is Asia Bingyols. I'm founder of Bingyols Art Galleries in Moscow, in Dubai, Art Auction House, and Art Academy by Bingyols.